TikTok finally has an update where you could add multiple accounts on the same TikTok app. You could do this on the iPhone or Android on your TikTok app. I want to show you exactly how to use it and how to add a second account and more in this video. And if it's your first time on this channel, I make easy to follow social media videos every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So make sure you go to the App Store and Google Play Store, depending on your phone, and look for TikTok and go ahead and update the app, because depending on when you watch this video, you have to get the latest update to allow this to happen. Once you do update it, go ahead and press open to open the app. If you're on the home page, just navigate to the Me option on the corner, on the bottom corner here. And then right on top, you should see the name of your account here, your TikTok profile, and you should see a little down arrow here. Press that. And as you could see, you should have an option that says add accounts. Again, make sure you update your app if you don't have this. And if you still don't have it, you'll just have to wait till it rolls out to your account. Go ahead and press add account here. And if you use the phone number or email to sign up, you can't use the same one again to create this new account. So what you have to do is either use Facebook, Google, or Instagram, or Twitter, the options you see on the bottom here, sign in with Apple, or use a different email. In this case, I'll sign in with email, but I'll use a different email here. And you do have to be 13 or older to use the app. So you do have to put in your birthday here. And instead of using a phone number, because I used that on my first account, I'm going to use an email in this case to sign up. And then I'll press the red arrow and I'll set a password for myself here. And you usually get some kind of verification here. So go ahead and fit the puzzle piece right here and then press the check mark. And just like that, you've created a new account. So if you press the down arrow here, you could see I have my first account here, my social media account, and then I have this new account here, and I could go ahead and change my username and profile here. Now I could press the three dots on the top right. I could go ahead and manage my account, verify my email here, and then if I go back here, I could press edit profile, and then I could go ahead and change my name on my profile. And I could change my username as well, so I'm not stuck with the username they gave me. And just like that, I got a new username and a new profile name. You could see them right here, @newslate, and filmmaker is the name. And you could do this process again. You could press add account here and add another account the same way. Again, don't use the same number or email or social media apps on the bottom here. Every time use a different way to sign up. And I believe you could have up to 5 very similar to Instagram using this method. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media and tech videos. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.